In this tutorial, I'm going to go over editing your website header. Once you're in the page builder here, you can just go right up to your header. If you want to change the address, just click right on it. Just fix it however you need. You can add a third line if you want. Once you're done, hit Apply Changes. Same thing for the phone number. Maybe you have a different phone line for texting. You can also add a new number. And just apply changes when you're done. You can edit the social media icons. Say I want to add a Twitter here. Just click the checkbox. And I would copy and paste the URL of my Twitter profile. Click Apply Changes, and you can see it pops up here. I'm just going to want to save my changes. And publish to make sure it goes live. And that's all for this tutorial.